This man spent 5 years in prison over child support for a child he wasn't even sure was his. But when the truth about his ex's deceit came out in court, the judge was beyond furious.
And then when I went to prison for 5 years, when I got out of prison in 2003, I paid child support from that day until just February of last year when I lost my job.
Only because they garnished your wages.
Absolutely, that's what they do. And I actually asked my public defender, where's the proof? I've yet to see proof that the child's mine. He said that they obtained my DNA through a sample that was already on file. I'm not here to win any Father of the Year awards, believe me. But I'm here to say that in today's society, I think it's cruel and unusual punishment to be sentenced to 5 years in prison with rapists and murderers and child molesters for missing a court date. Because that's basically what happened. I missed a court date.
You missed being a father.
I didn't know he was mine. You've had these so-called results.
Now, are you convinced he is the father?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have had a DNA test done, and I have the results right here. Would you like a copy of it?
Well, she's worked for lab pretty much for the last 20 years. I'd question the validity of the results. I mean, she'd get those anyway.
Hold on 1 second. Ms. Sear, your evidence clearly states that there was a laboratory test performed. I see here.
I don't think it happened. I think she worked in the lab and that she's had this thing manufactured.
I do see that for alleged father, it's entirely blank.
That's right.
Meaning
imagine that.
There is no social security number.
That's right.
There is no address.
She forgot to put that part in there.
There is no information about you. It's all blank.
Exactly.
So obviously, your contention that you didn't show up for this particular test is true.
Right.
Because there's no evidence that you were there on that
exactly
day.
Right. Thank
We've
you,
established that. As it pertains to 20-year-old Dylan Sear, Mr. Manser, you are not
God.
his father.
Oh, man. 5 years in prison. You made it all up.
No, I did not.
Well, those results apparently
I don't know
are made
any
up.
of those people on that form.
Oh, my God. She should be convicted of some crime.
No, I should not. I didn't.
That is fraud.
Mr. Manser,
that is fraud.
I know you're upset. Do you want to find out who your father is?
Of course.
Miss Sear, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
You know who his father is?
Yes, I talk to him still.
You cannot stand there and really suggest that you cannot comprehend why this man would not have any type of ill feeling, frustration as it relates to anything involving you. 5 years in prison. And then I say, do you know who your son's father is? And you say, yes, I'm still in touch with him. That is a really huge pill to swallow.